Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. So up to now in the previous class we have seen about the nomenclature and classification of phenols, and also we have started the third topic, that is nothing but preparations of phenols. In that preparations we have discussed two important topics. One is dose process, one more is cumin process. So remaining preparations of phenols we are going to be discussed in this class beta. Okay. So for the preparation of phenols, this is the third method from benzene sulfonic acid. How to prepare phenol? By using benzene sulfonic acid. Via the method is nothing but sulfonation method. Okay na? Right. So first of all here I am going to show you the statement now. So statement कैसे बताना बोले तो first of all we have to be considered benzene. Benzene undergo the process sulfonation. Sir, what is mean by sulfonation? Sulfonation meaning is it upon reaction with fuming sulfuric acid. Benzene on reaction with fuming sulfuric acid, it forms the product is nothing but benzene sulfonic acid. This is the product you are getting now. And one more point. Instead of fuming sulfuric acid, we can consider another word. This is nothing but what beta? Oleum. What is the word we can consider? Oleum. Sir, what is mean by oleum? I hope you may know the formula. Okay, but try to remember. So the formula of oleum is H2S2O7. What is the formula of oleum? H2S2O7. So benzene on reaction with fuming sulfuric acid, and also we can say on reaction with oleum, it forms the intermediate. The intermediate is nothing but benzene sulfonic acid. Now by using that benzene sulfonic acid we are going to prepare the phenol. So let us see how beta. Such benzene sulfonic acid, now it undergo the process fusion, nothing but undergo the process heating. Heating goes to be takes place by the addition of caustic soda solution, and also we can say by the addition of sodium hydroxide solution. Okay na? Right. And followed by, we have to follow a procedure. The procedure is nothing but acidification. Which method we have to be follow? Acidification. Means reaction will be takes place in presence of mineral acid. Any mineral acid you can add. If you want you can consider dilute HCl. If you want you can consider dilute H2SO4. Otherwise simply you can do acidic hydrolysis, same like in dose process and cumin process. Last step is common. Good. So upon acidification, finally here you are going to get the product. The product is nothing but what beta? Phenol. Same question they can ask you in another way also. Give the preparation of phenol from benzene via sulfonation method. Okay na beta. Now I am going to say once again statement repeat karna chahta, try to be focused. Benzene on reaction with fuming H2SO4 means fuming sulfuric acid, and we can say that benzene on reaction with oleum gives benzene sulfonic acid, which on fusion with sodium hydroxide and followed by acidification, it gives the product is nothing but what beta? Phenol. Right. So for the statement, now I am going to show you the reaction beta. Okay. So पहले क्या कंसीडर करेंगे बेटा? बेंजीन कंसीडर करेंगे. Yes, I have taken here benzene. Undergo reaction with fuming sulfuric acid. What is the formula? H2SO4. Such H2SO4 formula little bit I am going to be modified. Try to see here. HO bonded to SO3H, nothing but H2SO4. H2SO4. Okay na beta? But which type of sulfuric acid? So this is nothing but what beta? Fuming sulfuric acid. Instead of this fuming sulfuric acid, you can consider in that place oleum. You will get the same product, benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. So from that benzene, and you suppose from the first carbon, I am going to remove the one hydrogen. From benzene we are going to remove the H, and from sulfuric acid here we are going to remove the OH. So here reaction goes to be takes place upon heating condition. So instead of fuming sulfuric acid, I told you we can consider oleum also. Okay beta? Right. So benzene on reaction with fuming sulfuric acid, it forms the product is, this is benzene ring. H combines with OH minus and goes to be removed in the form of H2O. And this is the reactant. What is the reactant beta? Benzene. Benzene on reaction with fuming sulfuric acid, okay, it gives the product is nothing but, and remaining is here benzene and remaining is SO3H. So here directly we have to be attack the group. This is nothing but what beta? SO3H. Benzene connected to SO3H. This is called benzene sulfonic. H means acid. So this is your product. The product name is nothing but what beta? Benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid prepared from benzene. The method name is called sulfonation. Sulfonation ka meaning reaction with fuming sulfuric acid. So benzene on reaction with what beta? Fuming sulfuric acid. Here in this place, instead of this you can use what? Oleum. It forms the product is benzene SO3H. This is called benzene sulfonic acid. It upon fusion with what? Sodium hydroxide. So it upon fusion with nothing but heating with sodium hydroxide. Okay. Upon heating with sodium hydroxide, what will be happen? Listen carefully. H plus combines with OH minus and that goes to be eliminated again in the form of water. And in presence of such strong base, SO3 group, that goes to be eliminated in the form of SO2, sulfur dioxide. Right, Nana. SO3 changes into SO2. Yes, sir, ma'am. Remaining one oxygen is there. Benzene. Here one oxygen is there. SO3 changes into SO2. Remaining one oxygen. H combines with OH, goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Next, O contains charge minus, Na contains charge plus, minus will be attacks upon plus. So this is your intermediate. So again, what is the name? Benzene bonded to O minus and Na contain the charge plus. So this is nothing but what beta? In yesterday dose process also it came. This is called sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide. Now such sodium phenoxide salt undergo the process acidification. Acidification with what? Dilute or any mineral acid. So such sodium phenoxide undergo the process what beta? Acidification. Acidification takes place with dilute hydrochloric acid. Right. Upon acidification, Na plus combines with Cl minus and goes to be removed in the form of NaCl. Remaining is H plus. It goes to be attacks upon O minus. So final product is nothing but what beta? Here I am going to be consider benzene. Benzene connected to the group is nothing but O. O minus. Okay, now it goes to be connected to what, Nana? H plus. So this is your final product. What is the name of this product beta? Phenol. Okay, now, right, once again see the statement. Benzene on reaction with fuming sulfuric acid, it forms, the product is nothing but benzene sulfonic acid. It on fusion with sodium hydroxide and followed by acidification gives phenol. Such statement I have given here. Okay, na, maybe somewhat lengthy but easy, Nana. Try to make practice. Okay, good. So third preparation of phenol over, that is from benzene sulfonic acid. Let us go for fourth method of preparation. So preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium salts. Preparation of phenol, okay, now this is from fourth method, that is nothing but what, from benzene diazonium salts. So from benzene diazonium salts, how to prepare the phenol? यहाँ पर statement बताने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं, dead easy ना, simply BDS means benzene diazonium salt. BDS, benzene diazonium salt. To that benzene diazonium salt, I will give you the structure. Simply we have to add the hot water or we can say warm water. So hot water नहीं तो warm water को add कर देना. Definitely you are going to get the product is nothing but what beta? Phenol. Okay, I am going to show the reaction. First of all, let us see the formula benzene diazonium salt. Okay, benzene. I am going to draw the structure. Benzene. Diazonium. What is mean by diazo? N2. N2 is called diazo. Diazo, okay, but here what is the name? Neum. Neum means it contains the charge is nothing but plus. And here what I am saying, salt. Salt means it contains plus and minus. Okay, plus form is okay. Next we have to be write minus form. This is nothing but Cl minus. I hope you understand. Right. So benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium Br minus bromide. Like that number of BD salts you can consider. Okay na beta. But benzene bonded to N2 plus, this is fixed. Maybe Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, nothing but number of benzene diazonium salts you can prepare. I hope you understand. Good. So benzene bonded to N2 plus and Cl minus. N2 plus Cl minus. So this is nothing but what, Nana? Benzene diazonium chloride, or we can say example for benzene diazonium salt. To that benzene diazonium salt, to that benzene diazonium chloride, now here I am going to add the what better? Warm water, or we can say hot water add karna padega. So addition of hot water takes place at the temperature is nothing but 283 Kelvin. Okay na? Right. Now listen carefully, Nana. So water molecule contain H plus and OH minus. Okay. H plus combines with Cl minus and goes to be eliminated in the form of HCl. H plus combines with Cl minus, removed in the form of HCl. And remaining is what is the group OH na beta? That OH directly attacks upon benzene. That OH group directly attacks upon benzene. That means here you got the product is nothing but phenol. And remaining is what? N2 plus, that goes to be removed in the form of free nitrogen gas. Like that. So once again statement, third method of preparation of phenol from benzene diazonium salt. What is the formula benzene diazonium? First of all, be fixed in your mind. So benzene bonded to N2 plus. Benzene, N2 plus means diazonium, this is chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, nothing but it is a benzene diazonium salt. Simply upon addition with warm water, means upon heating with water at 283 Kelvin. Here you are getting the product is nothing but phenol. N2, it goes to be removed in the form of nitrogen gas. And Cl minus combines with H plus and removed in the form of what beta? HCl. So statement how to write? Right. Benzene diazonium salts on reaction with warm water at 283 Kelvin, it gives the product is nothing but phenol. I hope you understand. And it liberates the gas. The gas is nothing but N2 gas. Try to be focused on this also. Good. So up to now we have prepared 4 methods of preparation, dose and cumin, that we have studied in previous class. Now we have prepared, okay na, from benzene sulfonic acid and from benzene diazonium salt. Here we have prepared what beta? Phenols. Remaining methods are there, but such methods are not for theory point of view. They are important for objective. Shall we go discuss for that, Nana? Right, I am going to be discussing about that. So in that I am going to show you the first method is nothing but, Nana, before that objective I am going to say one more point. Sir, how to prepare BDS? Okay, preparation of phenol, okay, but we want to know, sir, how to prepare BDS? How to prepare benzene diazonium salt? Benzene diazonium salts, they are prepared by the method is called diazotization. Which method? Diazotization. It is also theory question. It will becomes in last organic chapter beta. So अपन यहाँ पर एक बार discuss करेंगे. Sir, what is mean by diazotization? It is a method which is used for the preparation of BDS. Okay, मैं आपको diazotization के बारे में discuss करेंगे. Diazotization. Okay ना, statement बताओ. Right. First of all, here we have to be consider aniline. Aniline undergo reaction with a mixture. The mixture name is called diazotization mixture. I will give you the formula. So what is the mixture of diazotization? I will give you, don't worry. And reaction will be takes place at the temperature is nothing but 0 to 5 degree Celsius. And here you are getting the product is nothing but BDS. This statement you have to be remember. Once again, aniline on reaction with diazotization mixture at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius gives BDS. means benzene diazonium salt. Okay, now the statement. Aniline, what is the formula? Benzene bonded to NH2. Okay, na? Right. It undergo reaction with diazotization mixture. Sir, what is the formula of diazotization mixture? So the diazotization mixture formula is NaNO2 plus 2 moles of HCl. Actually, textbook में क्या बताते बोले तो they will show you the mixture formula NaNO2 plus HCl. But as per balancing, we require 2 moles of HCl. So simply you can say NaNO2 plus HCl. Sodium nitrite and one more is hydrochloric acid. The mixture is known as diazotization mixture. But as per balancing, here we require 2 moles. Okay. So reaction goes to be takes place at the temperature is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. What is the reactant name? Aniline. Benzene bonded to NH3. NaNO2 plus 2 moles of HCl. So this is nothing but which mixture? This is nothing but a diazotization mixture. It forms the product is what? BDS. Write the formula of BDS. Benzene bonded to N2Cl, N2 charge plus, Cl charge minus. Okay, listen carefully now. Now we are going to do the balancing. One sodium combines with one Cl and goes to be removed in the form of NaCl. Total here 2 Cls are there. 1 Cl, 2 Cl. Okay, one sodium, one sodium. Okay, very good. Let us see, go for oxygen. How many oxygens? 2 oxygen. Is there any oxygen? No more. Means 2 oxygen we have to be removed in the form of 2 moles of water molecule that goes to be evaporate here. Okay, all goes to be balanced. If you want, you can check. 2 hydrogen, 4. Takes 2 oxygen, removed in the form of water molecule. And here you are getting the product is nothing but what? BDS means benzene diazonium chloride, or we can say benzene diazonium salt. Okay, now this is the preparation of BDS. By using that BDS, upon mixing warm water, you are getting the product is nothing but phenol. I hope you understand now clearly. Good, better. Right, remaining objective preparations of phenols. Yes, we are going to discuss about the objective preparations of phenols. In that, number 1 method is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. Sir, what is the formula of Grignard reagent? You know very well what is the formula, beta. This is nothing but RMgX. पता है ना बेटा आपको? Good. So from the Grignard reagent, how to prepare the phenol? Phenol is nothing but aromatic na beta. So Grignard reagent also we have to be take aromatic. Means we have to be consider the formula. This is nothing but AR bonded to MgX. This is the aromatic Grignard reagent. Aliphatic Grignard reagent or MgX. Aromatic Grignard reagent AR MgX. AR place में benzene लेना पड़ेगा. Okay na. Right now tell me the formula directly. AR nothing but aromatic ring, or we can say phenyl ring. What is the formula of phenyl? C6H5. It connected to MgX, nothing but it connected to MgBr, MgCl, as you wish, any respective halogen you can consider better here. So what is the name of this compound? This is called phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl, Mg means magnesium, Br means bromide. So what is the name of this reactant here? Phenyl magnesium bromide. It undergo first of all oxidation. Insertion or addition of free oxygen takes place in presence of air, and in presence of a suitable catalyst. The catalyst is dry ether. In presence of dry ether catalyst, here insertion of addition of oxygen takes place. Means simply oxidation will be occur. So between Mg and between phenyl we have to be add the oxygen. Means we can write now C6H5O, oxidation was over. Remaining group connected to what, Nana? MgBr. Okay, na? Right. So what is the name of this compound? C6H5 is phenyl. C6H5O is phenoxy. CH3O methoxy. C2H5O ethoxy. C6H5O, we have to say that phenoxy. So phenyl changes into what, Nana? Phenoxy, and remaining is same. This is nothing but what, beta? Magnesium bromide. So we have to be say that this is nothing but what, beta? Phenoxy magnesium bromide. Phenoxy magnesium bromide. Such phenoxy magnesium bromide, now it simply undergo the process, hydrolysis process, addition of H2O. And hydrolysis here takes place in presence of the medium is nothing but which medium, beta? Acidic medium. Okay, upon hydrolysis, what are the changes you are going to be observed? Bond breaking takes place between more electropositive and more electronegative oxygen. Okay, now after breaking of bond, O contain charge minus, attacked by plus. From where we have to take the H plus, water molecule से क्या लेना पड़ेगा? H plus that goes to be attacks upon phenoxy, and phenoxy changes into phenol. So C6H5O minus, it will accept the H plus. So here you are going to get the product is nothing but C6H5, already O minus is there. From water molecule we are taking H plus. So here we are getting the product is C6H5OH, and also we have to be say that the compound name is called phenol. Means benzene bonded to OH, Nana. And remaining, what is the byproduct here? MgBr as it is. I am going to be right here. लिखे ना? Good. Next one, listen carefully. MgBr तो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया बेटा. Water molecule contain H plus and OH minus ना बेटा. H plus given to O and remaining is OH minus. So that OH minus I am going to be right here. Means what is the byproduct? Hydroxy magnesium bromide. Hydroxy magnesium bromide. ये तुम्हारा byproduct. What is your main product? The main product is nothing but phenol. Sir, अगर statement बोलना है तो how to say the statement? Listen carefully. Phenyl magnesium bromide upon oxidation in presence of a dry ether catalyst gives phenoxy magnesium bromide, which upon acidic hydrolysis gives phenol. Such simple statement you have to be right now. Right, from observations of from objective preparations of phenol, I am going to give you second one. You suppose simply the procedure is known as oxidation of benzene. Which procedure, beta? Oxidation of benzene. And listen carefully, oxidation of benzene is a commercial method, and also we can say it is nothing but a industrial process. Business point of view में use करते हैं ना इस method को for the preparation of what? Phenol. So benzene undergo what? Oxidation. Tell me first of all what is the formula of benzene? Benzene formula is nothing but C6H6. Undergo the process oxidation is it required half moles of O2, or you can write simply free O atom, like this also you can write. Good. So your reaction will be takes place by using the suitable catalyst. This is nothing but V2O5 catalyst. Divanadium pentaoxide. Divanadium pentaoxide. And by using the suitable temperature, this is equals to 588 Kelvin. And finally, here you are going to get the product is nothing but C6H5. Insertion of free oxygen will be takes place. So here you are going to get the product is nothing but phenol. No elimination, nothing beta. So this is nothing but what? Benzene. And this is nothing but what? Oxidation by air. So a mixture of benzene and air. A mixture of benzene and air. By passing over the surface of vanadium pentoxide at 588 Kelvin, that forms the product is nothing but what beta? Phenol is the product. So in this way, benzene is directly oxidizes into phenol. They will ask you, in which method benzene is directly oxidizes to phenol? So answer is nothing but by using vanadium pentoxide catalyst. Okay, so benzene on oxidation by air by passing over the what nana V2O5 catalyst. Okay, it forms the product is nothing but phenol. That means benzene can be directly oxidized to phenol by passing over the surface of vanadium pentoxide catalyst. Try to be remember, and remember one more point. This is the latest commercial method, latest industrial method beta. गुड सो इन ऑब्जेक्टिव में दो भी डिस्कस कर लिया आपने, बहुत अच्छा है बेटा. लेट अस गो फॉर इन ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनोल. आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विथ यू थर्ड मेथड. Okay, in objective preparations of phenols we are going to discuss the third one, that is nothing but from decarboxylation concept. Now decarboxylation means removal of CO2 using which reagent? Soda lime, you know very well. So from decarboxylation of sodium salt of salicylic acid. Sodium salt of what beta? Salicylic acid. From decarboxylation of sodium salt of salicylic acid. So let us consider salicylic acid. I told you in nomenclature में मैंने perfectly बताया आपको. What is the formula of salicylic acid? Benzene bonded to COOH and it connected to the group is nothing but OH. OH and COOH, they should be on side carbon upon benzene. This is the structure of salicylic acid. But here I am saying sodium salt of salicylic acid. That means one of the hydrogen replaced by the sodium. Now we can say Na contain charge plus and COO contain charge minus. So plus minus is nothing but we are saying salt. Which salt? Sodium salt. With respect to which acid? Salicylic acid. I hope you understand. So this is nothing but what beta? So reactant name is nothing but sodium salt of, what is the reactant compound name? Salicylic acid. Sodium salt of salicylic acid. Yeah, it undergo the process decarboxylation. Sir, what is mean by decarboxylation? Removal of CO2. COO. This one we have to be removed. But you know very well, CO2 is removed, decarboxylation takes place in the form of CO2 na, in the form of Na2CO3. In first year number of times I have told you. Good na. So for the purpose of decarboxylation we are heating with what? Soda lime. Right, first of all listen carefully. Sir, what is mean by soda lime? A mixture of sodium hydroxide NaOH plus CaO, calcium oxide. Such mixture is known as what beta? Soda lime. Okay, upon heating with soda lime formula NaOH and also we have to be consider CaO, sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide. This mixture is known as what beta? Soda lime. Good. So sodium salt of salicylic acid upon heating with soda lime, it undergo the process decarboxylation, means removal of CO2 takes place in the form of what I told you, Na2CO3. Like this we have to be removed. Two sodiums are there, Na2. Removal of CO2 takes place in the form of Na2COOO, nothing but CO3. Remaining H attacks upon benzene. Benzene connected to OH means you are getting the product is nothing but what? Phenol. Benzene bonded to OH. At ortho place we have to be attack the hydrogen. Not only ortho place, remaining all positions in phenol we can accept one. Remaining all positions they are having one hydrogen. So यहाँ पर hydrogen लिखे तो क्या, नहीं लिखे तो क्या, as you wish. Okay ना. But decarboxylation means removal of CO2. But the decarboxylation takes place in the form of what beta? Na2CO3. This is your byproduct. In decarboxylation, common byproduct Na2CO3. And here main product is nothing but what beta? Phenol. So statement, sodium salt of salicylic acid on heating with soda lime gives phenol. Over. Next go for continue. Again for objective point of view, last method, such method we have studied in haloalkanes and haloarine chapter, Nana. So the reaction name is called Rushick's process. Which process? Rushick's process, or we can say Rushick's method. So Rushick's process, it is also nothing but how to be say that industrial method, or we can say commercial method for the preparations of phenol. Totally I have told you up to now 4 lab methods and 4 commercial methods. Number 1 commercial, dose. Number 2 commercial, cumene. Number 3 commercial, Rushick. Number 4 commercial, oxidation of benzene. And remaining 4 methods are lab methods. So industrially or commercially, how to prepare phenol by using the method is nothing but what? Rushick's process. So what he suggested, right? So Rushick suggested that first of all we have to be consider a benzene ring. And he says that benzene first of all undergo acidification, means reaction with what, Nana? Hydrochloric acid. And followed by the mixture, entire mixture undergo oxidation, means addition of O2. Here one O2 is enough, half O2 is enough. Means here you require one free oxygen. Okay, let us see carefully. And listen carefully, I told you so many times in CET, NEET, in so many exams it was repeated question, what is the catalyst in Rushick process? So the catalyst in Rushick process is CuCl2, cupric chloride, not cupras. This is cupric chloride. And also we can consider another catalyst, this is nothing but FeCl3, means ferric chloride, or you can consider cupric chloride. Any one catalyst you can add as per Rushick's. And here reaction goes to be takes place at the temperature is nothing but 523 Kelvin. Which temperature? 523 Kelvin. So benzene upon acidification and followed by oxidation in presence of cupric chloride or ferric chloride catalyst at 523 Kelvin, it forms a product. Let me explain about the product. Before that, listen carefully. From the benzene, especially from first carbon, I am going to remove the hydrogen. Okay, now such hydrogen, again यहाँ पर one more hydrogen, HO. Half O2 means free oxygen, na beta. So one hydrogen, two H atoms takes one free oxygen and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. Remaining is nothing but only Cl, free Cl plus attacks upon what, Nana? Benzene. So here we are getting the product is nothing but what, beta? Chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. This means it is nothing but haloarine. That's why I told you we have studied this in haloarine chapter. If you want, you can go and refer there. Good. So this is nothing but haloarine or chlorobenzene. Now such chlorobenzene simply by passing over the superheated steam, nothing but highly heated steam, or we can say highly heated water vapors. Okay ना, इसके ऊपर से पास करना automatically in that highly heated water vapors, H plus is there and active OH minus ions are there. Such OH minus can replace the Cl minus and that H plus combines with Cl and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. Right. So now such chlorobenzene on reaction with, or we can say by passing over the superheated steam at the temperature is nothing but what, Nana? 698 Kelvin. Superheated steam means highly reactive water molecule. It contains more reactive H plus ion. It contains more reactive OH minus ion. H plus combines with Cl and goes to be removed in the form of HCl. Remaining is free OH minus, more reactive form, which goes to be easily attacks upon benzene. That means here we are getting the product is nothing but what, beta? Phenol, and we can say benzene bonded to OH. Benzene bonded to OH. So what is the compound name, beta? The compound name is nothing but phenol. Write one second statement. What we are going to be consider? Benzene. Benzene on reaction with hydrochloric acid and followed by what, Nana? Oxidation by air. One second. Benzene on acidification and followed by oxidation in presence of cupric chloride catalyst gives chlorobenzene, which upon reaction with superheated steam at 698 Kelvin, it forms the product is nothing but phenol. By the loss of byproduct, this is nothing but what, beta? HCl. So these are the, okay, now 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 objective preparations of phenols, and before this we have prepared 4 theory preparations, Nana. Okay, all of you? Right. So up to now preparations of phenols are completed, Nana. In the next class, we are going to be discussing about the physical properties of phenols, and also I am going to start the chemical properties. Okay beta, I hope you understand. Try to make practice. So many new reactions are there and so many named reactions are there. Cumene, dose, rushing, different names are coming and somewhat lengthy reactions are there. So try to make practice, then only you will get the answer. Cumene, dose, they are evergreen and highly important topics for theory exam nana. Don't be neglect. Okay na, right nana. So next class में physical properties के discuss करेंगे. Okay बेटा.